Managing multiple businesses shouldn't mean managing multiple accounts. With Timetics AI, one account can manage them all. Create a dedicated workspace for every business, with its own services and bookings. So when customers book, every booking stays with the right business. Create a workspace, add your team, and get started. And whenever you need, switch between your businesses in just a few clicks. One account, multiple businesses, completely separate workspaces.